Hello guys, I'm Rian from Bitsec. Today I will solve a problem from IERAE CTF 2025. It's in reverse category. So I downloaded the file. They include uh, two files, shell.py and output.txt. If I open these two, here we can see it's a basic reversing problem. First they open the flag, then they take it in numbers, and here there's some XORs and not get operation, and then they write the file in output.txt. If I open the file flag, here is the encrypted flag, so I just reverse the operations and made the script.py. You will get the script in the description. Here is it. Here is the flag. Then I just it's a not operation, then XOR operation, then I reverse the flag, and this is the actual result will be. Here it is the flag. Okay, thanks for watching. Have a nice day.